I've been working on ideas for a new trading book for a long time, but I kept coming back to Around the Horn and thinking I'm going to have to deliver something that tops all my best intraday trading strategies, so I really didn't think a new book would answer any important questions. Then everything changed. I had a new role as a hedge fund manager, and I had to shake things up and push the strategies to new limits. So I found new focus. And with that focus, a new application for my core trading strategies emerged, and that was something worth writing about. So this was something that could show other traders how to profit from new strategies that have helped me to persevere in some really bad market conditions. And these are the strategies that have helped me generate double-digit returns for Trireme Capital every year since its inception. So that was a book worth writing. That's a book worth reading. I guess 13 profitable years as a trader defines me as a survivor. Trading has definitely evolved over those years, but it's basically still the same business. It requires as much psychology as skill, and discipline, that's worth more than any back-tested system will ever be. I think it's really pretty simple. If you want to succeed, you have to know what you're planning to do, believe in what you're planning to do, and do what you're planning to do. Plan the trade the plan. Always been the invisible hand in our war room, and it always will be. It's what keeps us profitable. It's what keeps us trading. Anytime I teach traders how to do what I do, I focus first on strategy, then how to plan, and then on how to execute. I think these three components are they're just the key to profitability in the markets. Trading for a living is definitely an attainable goal. If I can do it, you can do it. But every aspiring trader has to understand the reality of the business. It's not a get-rich-quick market, and quite frankly, it never has been. Traders can sometimes make extraordinary gains, but most of the time you have to be satisfied making a living. Now, my strategies focus on month-over-month consistency, and if you get my discipline, you can definitely replicate my results. We have traders who subscribe to and profited from my trading service for 11 years. I think that says a lot about the strategies. But what it says most about is the ability of a good strategy, good approach to the markets, to consistently score gains. Up market, down market, it doesn't matter. If you have a robust strategy, you'll earn a living in any market environment. I've been trading the strategies and trade secrets for 13 years. The core strategy has been the cornerstone of my trading business for the duration, and the modifications that I present in the book represent the additions I've made to the underlying methodology to add to the bottom line. Everything I wrote about added to my profitability. Every one of the strategies has proven to be robust and portable, so I would say that they've held up very well over time. When it comes to trading, I don't mind sharing what I consider to be my trade secrets with everyone. There are plenty of trades to go around, and teaching other people how to trade at this point is as rewarding for me as teaching at a university. The trade secret, if your goal is profitability, is to find strategies that are profitable, robust, and portable. And by portable, I mean applicable to a variety of time compressions, so that when market conditions change, and by conditions I'm really referring to volatility, a trader doesn't just have to scramble constantly and try to find a new strategy. Instead, the system already in place can be adapted to the new time compression, and it can still generate profits. That's a trade secret. You have to have a set of tools that can be applied for profits intelligently anywhere in the market. Now, that's a big paradigm shift. I mean, we're really moving away from the way traders used to think. The focus used to be all about you have to pick a time frame, you have to stay in that time frame, you can't swing trade and position trade and day trade in the same account. Well, those days have come and gone. You can do all that stuff now and profit consistently as long as you're very careful in constructing your strategies and making sure that they're valid before you go and apply them. I've put a lot of time and energy into this project, and I believe firmly that what I presented is a new way of thinking about trading. This is a paradigm shift. This is a powerful tool. It takes the way we all used to think about trading and says, not anymore. Markets move through cycles much faster now than they used to. What once took years to accomplish now happens over the course of months. What happened over the course of months happens in just a few days. What happened in days now occurs intraday. You have to be able to think on your feet, and you have to be able to think outside the box. That's what this book is all about. It's not about branding yourself as a day trader or a swing trader or a position trader. If this is what you do for a living, you're a trader. You look for opportunities where they exist, and when you find them, you act. I think anybody who reads this book is going to recognize that that's the message. I think anybody who spends any time with it is going to realize that is the trade secret. And I think that if you take the time to make the shift in thinking that I suggest in the book, you're going to find out it's not as difficult to persevere in this market as everyone thinks it is. It is possible to profit. It is possible to make a living as a trader. And most of all, it's possible to get up in the morning, go do a job that you love, and actually be rewarded for it. This is Adrian Manz. If you'd like to own a copy of my new book, Trade Secrets, Powerful Strategies for Volatile Markets, a full month before it's available at Amazon or anywhere else, head over to traderinsight.com/MANZ and order your copy today. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.